Okay, Assalamu alaikum. This is CIS 1103 Lab 7. Okay, building a symbol connecting two LANs with a router. All right. So this is an explanation of the lab itself. We'll go to Lab 7. Yeah, this is our lab. So in this lab, we have two switches connected with one router, two LANs connected with a router, and we are given the IP addresses. So let's start building the network. All right, I am going to share my whole screen. So please pay attention. Okay. And now we will follow the instructions. First, we will do the topology. Here we are using a Cisco 1941 router. Okay. So I'll come here, choose the router. Please look at the screen. This is my router, 194. So it's this one. Drag it. All right. Now we will choose the switch. I have two switches, 2960 here and another one here. Okay. Then I will connect the cables. Which port here? 06 or 05?
05.
Okay, and on the router?
00.
Very good. Another cable from here on the router? 01. To which port here?
01.
Good. Very good, very good. Thank you. Now, how many PCs we will add?
2.
One here and another one here. Okay, now in the PC, now we'll connect the PC. We'll have one cable. This is very good revision, very good revision. Here on the PC, only one network. And here, which 06?
Yes.
Okay. What about here?
02.
Into 02. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. Okay, now we'll follow the instructions. Now we are going to change the display name and assigning the IP information to the PC interfaces. Okay. So for PCA, it is 192.168.1.2. First of all, we'll change the computer name here. It is PCA. Okay. Static, and then we'll go to desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.2. Okay. What is the gateway? 192.168.1.1. Am I right? Correct? Look at the table, please, to find out.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, all right, so we'll go back here. This is correct. We'll close this. Now we will go to PCA, PCB. Config, change this to PCB. What's the IP? Okay, and then go to desktop, IP configuration. What's the IP address for PCB? 172.16.1.16 يعني .1.2. Good. All right. The subnet mask is correct. The gateway is 172.16.1.1, right?
Yes.
Good. All right, now let's go to the router. Look here now, please pay attention. Go to the config. What's the router name? Should be what? R. Very good. R1. And display name, host name also R1. Okay. Now we'll go to the interface. 00 should be, first of all, turn it on. Port status on. You have to turn it on because by default the router is off for security. What's the IP configuration? 192.168.1.1. Okay, this is for the Giga Ethernet 0/0 on the left side, right? Okay. Subnet mask is the same. Now for 0/1, it is 172.16.1.1. Very good. And then turn it on also. Okay? Close. You see everything is green now. Alhamdulillah. So we are done with this lab. Now if I want to check the connection, I'll come to PCA, command prompt, ping 172.16.1.2, which is the PCB, right? You see, it's working. All right. This is how we check. If I want to check the configuration, ipconfig. All right. If I want to see more details, ipconfig/all. It will show me the MAC address. Okay. This is lab 7. Well, yeah, we have repeated it because it's important. Okay.
What is your YouTube? What is your YouTube?
Yeah, I will send you the link. Okay, now let me close this and then we'll start a new lab. Any questions here? Okay. Did they ask us to change the switch also? What is the name of the switch in the drawing? S1 or S0?
On the left, S1. On the left side, S1.
And this one is S0. Huh?
No, S2. The other one is S2.
So the one on the left is
S1.
S1.
On the right, S2.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, close. And this one is config S2. Okay. Now let's see. Do we need to add anything else? Okay. See, make sure that they are on. Now they ask you a question. What would happen if I had incorrectly configured interface G01 on the router with an IP address of 172.16.1.2? I will get error because this is the IP address of the PC, correct? Okay, lab 08 is conversion. Lab 08 is conversion between numbers. Okay, so let me start a new recording. Okay, this one will stop here.